Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. Today we will draw a wonderful Barbie. If you have a pen and paper, let's get started. First of all, as always, we start drawing with the eyes. You must draw 2 circles inside the circle. After drawing Barbie's eyelashes, eyebrows, and mouth, let's draw a line similar to the letter U for her face. Then let's draw the line of the hat and some of the hair coming out from under it. After drawing the curved parts of the hat, do not forget to draw a heart. Let's draw Barbie's little neck vest and details of her bed. Detaylarını çizelim. Let's add a foulard around his neck. Let's draw 2 small lines for the waist and a long curved line for the top of the trousers. After drawing the bottom parts of the trousers, let's add 2 small shoes. Let's draw a line similar to the letter V on the upper part and connect it to the middle part of the trousers. I draw 2 more lines on the sides and draw the trouser strings on the V line. I draw the arms and fingers. Then I draw the remaining parts of the hair. Yes, Barbie drawing is over. How do you think it happened? I especially loved his hat. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos and like the video. Thanks for watching. If there are drawings you want, you can write them in the comments. Goodbye.